In the challenge, what we need to do is to program the character to keep moving to reach the last one over here. So to do that, we have a new block that is the if. The if block is very important. It helps the character identify which way to turn and what to do accordingly. So first, I need to program it to move forward until the lattice. If the path is to the right, I'm going to ask it to turn right. Or else turn left. While there is lattice, needs to be before the if. It needs to pick. It worked for the first one, so I'm going to give it a try by putting repeat, and I'm gonna count 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
repeat 7. So looks like the if did not work well for me. So when this happens, you just change it to the other direction. So this is left, left, and this is right. In the last level, the first one is this one, which is repeat until there is lattice, move forward, and then while there is lattice, I need to pick, and then there's the if. Same way, I'm going to leave it left and put these blocks inside. And now let's give it a shot with the first one. Now I'm going to count the steps, so let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So it's 9,